What's going on, y'all? This is Chris Saunders, aka CSProductions.29. It's taken some time, but I told you, I got you. I'm getting to it. This is The Woven Web by Animals as Leaders. First time listening to Animals as Leaders on the channel. Let's check them out. Yo, this lick goes hard. I like this lick. This goes hard. I'm curious, so I don't see a name here on this album cover. I'm assuming this is album cover versus like a song artwork cover. So what's the name of this album? And then also, is there some symbolism or some meaning behind it? I'm assuming that's an eye, right? So it's like a close-up shot of an eye or a pupil within an eye. But this is dope. Hey. Time out. Are my ears failing me? Is that a bass guitar? Or is it the kind of percussive strumming ghost note, dead note on a guitar? I'm going to go back. I went back 10 seconds. I want to say that's a bass guitar. It sounds a little too deep to be an electric guitar, but help me out there. Is that a bass guitar or electric guitar? Yeah, this goes hard. I'm going back 10 seconds. I love the drums, the drum fill into this, and then the simplicity of the drum beat here to really help that lick. Again, help me out if it's a bass guitar or electric guitar here to kind of like just mesh together. But this, I like this. Yo, I just noticed something. So I was starting to pause a bunch here, but I'm noticing all these different things now. So if you listen, because I'm kind of enamored by the main lick there on the electric guitar, bass guitar, but then also really hone in and focus in with your ears onto the drums. You can hear the double bass on the of the drum beat doing the same pattern of the electric guitar or bass guitar there, which is pretty crazy. That takes some serious rhythm. I'm gonna go back 5 seconds. Listen to that pattern or the cadence of the string instrument, as well as the double bass on the drums. That's crazy. I like how they're tying it all together here at the end again. I really like that. This breakdown again. Fading out. It's gonna reveal something. The Woven Web. That's The Woven Web by Animals as Leaders. I finally got to it. I appreciate the suggestion. That was dope. That was a crazy song. I'm curious. So my guess, as I continue to get, just learn more about these bands and the styles of music, my guess is it sounds like it probably falls under prog, kind of more in that area. Let me know in the comments down below. But I think it's interesting just because we've seen a couple now, but I've never really heard like prog metal as instrumental. I've heard some, but with a vocalist. So that's interesting. But let me know, is that actually, would it fall under prog? Because some parts sounded kind of like it'd be prog, some parts sounded like it's kind of had that more jazzy, technical math rock feel to it. But that's The Woven Web by Animals as Leaders. I see your comments, I see your suggestions, I add them to my list, and I'm working on getting them listened to and uploaded. So I appreciate the conversation we're able to have and that we constantly have in the comment section down below. It's awesome. Love you guys. You're loved, you're valued, and you are appreciated. That's The Woven Web by Animals as Leader. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video reaction in the future. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.